Hi everyone, Lobster here. Now, this looks like a standard puppy, yes? It's not. It's the Dpup. That is it's created with Woof by Guy, Gposil on the forum, and it's a puppy version that is made up out of, as well as the existing puppy programs, the packages are made out of Debian Lenny downloads. So it's a combination of puppy scripts for recognition and all the other things, and Debian. Dpup. Okay, this is the one of the things that is slightly different. If you see here, we've got the control panel, and we've got various options here to set things up, like the printer, and it's very, very nicely done. And Guy has written this program. I'm not sure what he's writing in. The Dpup itself is 145 meg. This is the beta 3 that I'm using. But you'll see, if we look down here, well, let's do it in the middle here. If I right click, you will see all the things that you would normally expect to see in Puppy. So there's a great deal of similarity. So it's not like something like Muppy, for example, which is very different to a standard Puppy. Very good in its own way, but very different. This looks and feels very much like something that you would be familiar with if you're a Puppy user. So, for example, let's look at empty paint. There's empty paint, which I'm assuming is made with the Debian version rather than compiled for and in Puppy. But that's something that Guy can confirm. One of the other things that you will see when you click on Browse, instead of opening a SeaMonkey window, you've actually got, let's have a look what it is, a lot of people's favourite browser, Firefox. And set up in Firefox, you'll see here, for example, there is the ability to allow and not allow Flash to run on your page. So for things like adverts, this will by default, you have your Flash turned off. And this was something, I forget what this was. What was this? Zina. I don't even know what this is. I haven't even looked at this. This is something new to me, and it looks very much like an HTML editor. So this is built in. Oh, marvelous! That's something to explore later. But I'm assuming that's to make up for the SeaMonkey program, which has Composer built in. So that's very nice indeed. So you've got Firefox here. Let's have a look at some other things. Those are two things that I noticed right away. But there's other programs that are here that are slightly different. Oh yes, the other one on the desktop. If we go to, well, there's two that are worth mentioning maybe. One is the wallpaper setter. And if I click on these, you will see that we've got a preview, okay, and we can scale to fit and apply it. Now this is different to the latest 4.3.1 version of Puppy because there's no preview, and the preview does make a big difference. So that's one thing. And the other thing that is rather nice on the desktop is the, where is it, the screensaver, wherever that is. Wallpaper saver, choose. Ah yes, it's this one. Configure. I think it's this one. Xlock. No, that's the standard. That's the standard Xlock, is it? Yes, that's the one. That's the one here. But there's another screensaver somewhere which I've been using, and I'm not quite sure where it is. Where is it? Oh, I'll tell you where. It must be on the control panel. Let's have a look. Hardware, sound, drives. Gosh, how strange. Let's have another look. It's probably staring me in the face, and I can't see it. Desktop. Theme chooser, screen locking. I can't find it. I did have another screensaver. There's another screensaver in there, which is the standard one from Debian. There's not many things available, but one of the ones that is available is a rather nice effect on the desktop, like a rain effect, and there's a few others that are very nice that you're probably familiar with other versions of Puppy, but I seem to have lost it. I don't know where it is. Okay, other programs that I've noticed that are new. This one, you see this under multi. Let's do it on the middle here. If we look at multimedia, the LuckView webcam viewer. Now, when I click on this, nothing very much seems to happen. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. If you look at my camera, I'll do it again. You'll see it flashes on. Where is it? Multimedia. Watch the camera flash on. So green light, but then nothing. And the other thing, I did try this. I didn't get very far with it. But if you look on the I'm trying to think where it would be. System set. What I'm looking for is the package manager. There's so many things now available. System boot manager. Where's the package manager? Desktop. Utility. I can't find it. Let's look at the control panel. User settings, drives, wallpaper, add remove. Yes, here it is. Add remove. Add remove. I quite often can't find things from the menu, but that's my thing. But if we look at the Debian Lenny main, now I did try installing a couple of programs for this, and they didn't install. So I'm not quite sure if this is working. This is still a beta version after all. But this is all the various programs that are available in the Debian depositories. Lenny is the code name, and you'll see all these various programs which supposedly we would click on, and they would then be available in this Dpup version. Okay, my feeling about this is it's fabulous. It seems very stable. It seems very familiar. I've actually changed. Oh, I must admit, this is one of the things that I did do on the desktop. I did, just as in the standard thing, I changed the icons and a few other things. If we go into the JW configuration, so you can see all these things are things that you would be familiar with. Let's change it to orange, for instance. I know that's pretty horrendous, but let's just do it. There, we've got an orange puppy now. So these are the sort of standard things that you would see in Puppy and that you would be familiar with. So very much standard, very much the stability of Debian. Very good Puppy, highly recommended. Do give it a test and try and report back to Guy. He did ask me to, just before I did this, I got a private mail from him saying, please, what do you think of it? What's your opinion of it? And my opinion is it's excellent. Okay, bye now.